A video for you. Yes, I cut the ground off that, brought it over, NOCO charger, stabilizes it with a NOCO front clip, plug up for your heater core and maintainer. Comes across here, took out the ground, took out the positive, but left one positive that goes through this loom. Got this protective insulation from Summit Racing. Reconnected my grounds just like he did in the video to the back side of the pump down there. Come in to where the positive maintains the connection for your fuse. You cut that out of the loom that's down there below the steering shaft, right there. You'll leave, I cut mine right in there on top of the frame. You're gonna leave about 4 feet. That's gotta go back up under the injection pump. It's not needed because all you need is to come from here, and you're gonna have plenty of it because it's a cable. Once you cut it out of that, right out of the steering column there, you'll have plenty to feed back up here. And that's all I did.